I change a lot when I come into the forest. I don't have as much stress in me as I do at home.
I learned to become more one with nature. It was quite inspiring actually.
I think now I know that I can be brave. I can overcome my fears because we slept alone in the shelter. I didn't know that I could do it. I just said yes and I did it. So that felt good.
Well, when I came, I didn't really know anyone. But then, first time I came here, I just got to know everyone, and then just started making things. All got along, and that was right.
More self-confident with myself and being around other people.
The thing I learned most about today was sort of taking in the surroundings and how peaceful this place is and sort of how everything is made by the plants around you and the world around you.
I think it's made me stronger. I feel I've got a strength inside that I didn't notice at first.
I think it's a really amazing experience, and because I went before it makes it's more of an incentive to go again, and I learnt loads of new skills, and it gives me a break from a really stressful life that I live in.
I liked just being in a team building atmosphere, how everybody was supporting each other and trying to learn from each other.
I love finding in the footprints and love in the deer. Deer was my favourite, and I really loved it because we were making homes.
We learned how to be even more silent and use our hearing even more. We played this game and where there were bandanas and we had to go and pick them out without the person realising.
I think I'll probably appreciate the fact that people don't have to be perfect. It's okay to not be perfect.